Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 101 Linn Street in beautiful Ithaca.
This is a historic two-family home with an extremely rare location bordering Cascadilla Gorge and Cornell University.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with a scenic front porch, leading to a classic foyer with gorgeous woodworking.
This traditional historic home features all of yesteryear's charm with today's modern updates. With an expansive living room with crown molding and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to the formal dining room with pocket doors into the parlor, all with an adjacent granite kitchen with gorgeous cabinetry, a center island breakfast bar, a powder room, and patio access where you could hear the falls. The character and charm continues upstairs with 3 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors, 2 full updated bathrooms, and laundry. At night, you can fall asleep to the sound of the falls. The 3rd floor features an entirely separate apartment with a great room concept kitchen with beautiful hardwood floors, 2 spacious bedrooms, and a full bathroom. The quality of the craftsmanship is evident in the architectural detailing of this fine home. Enjoy the tranquil and serene patio as you get serenaded by the trickling falls. Imagine this right out your backyard, listening to the soothing waterfalls and enjoying the hiking trails all the way up to Cornell University. World-renowned for its academics, tradition, and stunning architecture. This is the premier Ithaca location, steps away from Ithaca Commons.
This is a great place, Rob.
Ithaca Commons has great restaurants and shops. There's always something fun to do.
For anyone who appreciates history and being by the lake, this is the perfect place for you.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 101 Linn Street in Ithaca.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.